making a super fluffy slime. And we haven't made slime in a very long time, but we should start doing that more because it is fun. So we Instacarted our stuff we're going to be making it with, guys, but they didn't bring the buckets, so don't mind the dirty buckets. Yeah. It's what we had. Let's just start making the slime. So first step is pouring in the glue, obviously. I get my slime muscles back. This feels heavy. Okay, guys, so let's see what we got. And they didn't bring everything we ordered because it's just 2 tiny bags. And we ordered a lot more, but I guess they were sold out because they didn't bring it. So let's see.
That always happens, guys, when you order slime supplies because they're just always out.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cans of shaving cream.
Is that Captain America shaving cream?
No.
Yes, it is.
Where? Oh my God! A Brave New World Captain America. This is the guy who helps the new Captain America. On it.
The Falcon. We're gonna make super fluffy slime.
And food coloring and glitter. Pretty. Okay, I'm gonna use pink.
Guys, look at our glitters. They're so beautiful.
Oh.
And I think I'm gonna do green.
Here. Just open that, I guess.
We need both.
Oh.
I'm gonna add my shaving cream first so that my food coloring can go on top, like icing. What?
I'm gonna add in my food coloring first because it doesn't really matter. Okay, one in. Now it's time to add the other. Whoa.
It's hard to press the button with fake nails.
Okay, second one in, and now I'm gonna add in my shaving cream. I wish there was an instant button.
I know. Imagine.
Like, boom, it's all in there.
Wouldn't it be cool if you like pull the tab and dump it out, and then it just like expanded to like this?
No, it'd be cool if like you pulled the little thingy like a grenade and just boom, it exploded all in there.
Second can going in. The first time you push it is always the most powerful, and if you let go, it's not going to be powerful anymore.
There you go. Second can.
Okay, third can. Look how fluffy it is, guys. This is going to be great.
That went far.
Oh, it got on me. That's why she was laughing. Wasn't
didn't
gonna tell me.
You didn't notice?
No.
You didn't feel it?
No.
I'll pick out my colors. So since I did pink food coloring, I'm gonna do this pink glitter, this one, this one, this one. I guess this white one. I might not see it though. And I guess this purple. There you go. Those are all pretty colors.
I'm gonna do this silver one, this green one, this green one, and I'm gonna do the blues because why not? The blues are always pretty.
Glitter. Now the only purple one I have. Neon pink. That one's pretty. This darker pink. This lighter darker pink.
What?
And the white pink. Wow, that's so pretty. I love when it sparkles and it's a pretty sparkle.
Okay guys, I'm gonna do this light green first.
Looks like baby food green. Or peas.
She's hungry.
Okay.
This lighter, darker green?
That's just like light green.
Okay, now I'm gonna do the silver. Oh, it's like leprechaun. Like St. Patrick's Day. Wait, that's Leprechaun Day, right? Yeah.
Leprechaun Day.
It is. Where you make the leprechaun traps?
St. Patrick's Day.
Okay. Why are you guys hungry?
We ate old food.
Dark blue.
Oh, she didn't hear me at first.
Light blue. It's almost like silver. Oh, this looks so pretty.
It looks like the earth.
Yeah.
Let's mix these up.
Ooh. Ooh, my shaving cream is turning green.
Did she say my shaving turd?
No.
Are you sure?
My shaving cream is turning green.
Oh. My glitter's like mixing into the thing. I was expecting it to turn pink, but then I realized I didn't put the food coloring on my shaving cream. I put it in the glue. Oh, it's turning pink.
I hope it doesn't stain my nails. You don't even. Your nails are pink.
But like this part is not.
Yes, it is.
Look. Do you see? Like you see? This is so fluffy.
Oh, it's cold. The glue is always cold. Oh my gosh, I love this. I miss this. We need to do this more, Mary.
I know. Hey, my glue's not that cold.
My glue is cold. Guys, who wants to see a new slime series 2025?
Ooh, mine's turning light pink. I thought it would turn darker.
Guys, comment your ideas down below.
Wow, these are so fluffy. I think we can activate them now. So first, baking soda.
I was not expecting that.
Bro's being nice. That's
I'm always nice. Did I not bring you a drink this morning? Did I not?
Yeah, but I was scared to drink it.
It's not my fault you can't handle it.
Bro brought me a triple shot of espresso and said choose me.
It was decaf! Oh. Contact lens solution now. You gotta make sure you mix in the baking soda good or it'll be clumpy. So just open the garage to put his bike away because he thinks it's gonna rain.
Ooh.
Oh man, I forgot how much contact lens solution I added because he distracted us.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's coming out so perfect. Look.
They're coming out great. Look at this piece. Now let's work them on the table.
Whoa. My front still has glue.
Look at this fluffiness.
Kind of made
It's so
sister
light.
colors, like pastel.
Oh my god, these are so perfect and fluffy and jiggly. So look. Whoa, do they bounce? Kind of. Whoa. Look, it's bouncing.
Let's see if I can make a bubble. Oh, it's a thick bubble. Okay, let's see.
Ah, I dropped it.
Okay, bubble contest. Best out of 3. Okay, I'll go first. Uh-oh. Oh! They're very thick.
Whoa.
I did not think you're gonna make a bubble.
Okay.
Oh, it looks like a rose.
Oh yeah. Hey, mine is the rose and yours is the stem. Okay, your turn. So far, I'm in the lead. My bubble was better than yours.
No.
And you
Said
know
who?
that. You know that.
Said who? Guys, Mary is like the most competitive person you'll meet. Like, she will like do anything to win. She'll even cheat.
I do not cheat. You do not win if you cheat. Izzy literally cheats in every TikTok.
I do not cheat.
Yes, you do.
How? Exactly, you don't even know.
I'm gonna handcuff her in the next TikTok to see if she can still do it.
How am I gonna water bottle flip with my hands cupped?
Oh, I was thinking more like grab. Like,
Wants me to put it with my mouth?
okay, my turn.
I didn't even go yet. I was just waiting for you. Okay, round 2, go. Trash. Okay, let's do. Guys, I'm scared of Mary.
It's because you popped my bubble.
Ooh, I definitely won.
Wow, that was a good one.
I definitely won. Why is she clapping for me?
Whoa!
Yay! Thank you.
Okay, your turn. I don't think that's gonna make a bubble.
I do. You don't know my technique. Boom! Look at that!
It's like a bean.
It's a thick. Oh yeah! It's a thick bubble.
Okay, my turn. Bro, your bubbles have not been good.
They're just thick. Whoa!
Listen to this.
Well, let's make a rose.
Okay, you make the stem and I'll make the rose. Okay.
Hey, look out! Okay, there's the stem. And wait, got 1 leaf and 2 leaves. It kind of looks like a cactus without the flower.
Okay, here's the rose.
Wow, look at that perfect flower. Just add the leaf marks,
The detail. There you go. Well, bye guys. Comment down below what type of slime you want to see next.